Hi Hanya, recording. Yet زي for و since نفس الكاتيجوري دولت بياخد ال perfect tense. So if you said C or D, both of these answers are acceptable. Okay? So I want you guys to keep that in mind. Don't forget the keywords بتاعتنا. So that's homework review for today. Is there anything else I want to give you guys? Multiple should know. The vocab. Okay. Now, the vocabulary words, they should be new for you guys. صح? So be very aware. Vocabulary is very important. ودايما هديكوا vocabulary. I'm sorry I've been slacking on the common lit. I really do apologize. آخر يومين دولت I've been very busy. Today we're going to take future tense verbs. Now remember, الفكرة كلها when we're working together على الأسايمنتس دولت is ندرب على نفس الشكل over and over and over again عشان ما ننساش نفسنا. That's the idea of having basics, right? Basics معناها الأساسيات نفسهم you can master them. And it's the higher level thinking questions that need more thought, right? So remember, right now we're here where we're learning these basic rules. مثلا ال present tense ضربنا على has و have و is. على ال past tense ضربنا على ال simple وال perfect tense. ال future tense برضه نضرب عليهم. You're going to see the same questions over and over again. زي ال past to present عشان نتعود على شكل الجملة والشكل الإجابة. So that way when we see it, we're able to recognize it. Practice is the father of learning, and being able to recognize patterns on your test is the biggest benefit. Now, لو أنت ACT, which I think I have quite a few here, ACT الجرامر كلها والpunctuation كلها بناء على sentence patterns. Okay? So عايزين نحفظ patterns دول through practice, not through just memorizing. No, we want to memorize these sentence patterns عشان when we actually go to a test and solve a test, we're able to recognize the pattern على طول and recognize what's needed. Now, there are higher order questions, okay? يعني ايه higher order questions? There are questions that will challenge the pattern you memorized, which is okay. كده برضو we're taking more advanced concepts or ideas. So keep this in mind when we're practicing. It's really important تفهموا. Number one, احنا ندرب على test patterns. Okay, احنا ندرب على test patterns. So let's begin over here. We're going to do future tense verbs. احنا خلاص أخذنا ال past to present. Today we're going to be focusing. We're going to focus on بس مش هيبقى الفوكس الوحيد, but we will focus on future tense verbs and modals. Okay, we're going to focus on future tense verbs and modals. So here, when to use future tense verbs. Future tense verbs describe events that will occur in the future. Okay, so here's a step-by-step process احنا هناخدها to make sure we can identify the correct answer. Identify the time frame of the action or event. ده دايما السؤال بنسأل نفسنا مع أي سؤال verb. What is the time frame? When did this action occur? So بنسأل بقى نفسنا, is it simple future? Will plus verb, right? وهنتكلم على دولت برضو. Well, simple future مفيش time period. There's no specific time. Will the action be completed before a specific future time? That'll be will plus have. So if it's done before a specific time, في deadline, في due date, بناخد will plus have. Will it be ongoing to a specific future time? That'll be will plus be or been, or excuse me, have plus been. So ناخد the three types دولت. Number one هناخد the simple future, هناخد ال future perfect, وهناخد ال continuous future. Now continuous future ما بيجيش كتير, وبرضه ال future perfect ما بيجيش كتير. Right? So we're covering our bases. Our main focus will be the simple future. صح? So choose the appropriate tense. So in simple future, use future simple. Will plus have. Or will plus verb. I will call you tomorrow. Now again, it's open usually simple future is the best answer. زي simple past with simple present. Unless there's something to tell you no. صح؟ When we choose an answer, في حاجة بيقول لي yes, في حاجة بيقول لي no. You have to remember these things. So for actions that will be completed before a specific future time, بناخد بقى future perfect. So here, by the time you arrive, شايفين زي ده؟ زي past perfect, by the time you do كذا. زي present perfect, since كذا, for كذا. So to use the perfect tense, there needs to be a word or phrase يقول لك في limit, في deadline للtense ده. Or will it be ongoing? Use future continuous. At 3 p.m. tomorrow, I will be attending a conference. Now again, future continuous ما بيجيش كتير وحتى present continuous past continuous عايزاكم تاخدوا بالكم بالبوينتس دولت. دايما السيمبل بيبقى الفوكس بتاعتنا وبرضو البرفكت. Keep this in mind. So let's get started here, or let's focus on incorrect future verbs. So using the future tense for general truths or habitual actions, right? When do we use, what tense, يا عمر, do we use for general truths or habitual actions?
The simple.
The
Simple.
simple. Oh, ذاكرة. So we can't say the sun will rise in the east. It sounds good, it makes sense عشان بتقول لي well حاجة هتحصل بكرة, so لازم ياخد future tense, which you're not wrong, but no, the sun rises in the east عشان it always rises in the east. Number 2, common mistakes using future tense verbs for scheduled events. Okay? Remember, a scheduled event زي habitual action. في ميعاد معين بيجي أو بتعمل حاجة كل يوم. This would receive what? It's simple tense برضو. The train will leave at 6:30. Although this sounds correct برضو عشان تقول لي وده future مش عارف فين. طالما في وقت محددة, a specific time, it receives the simple present. Okay? ولو في specific time في past بياخد ال simple past. So using the wrong form of the future tense, so ده طبعا هنشوفها. By next month, I will complete the project. So again, why would this be incorrect يا ليان? By next month, I will complete the project. مش احنا بنتكلم عن الشهر الجاي? Shouldn't that get the future tense?
Yes.
So why is this wrong?
One second.
Take your time. Brew, brew.
One second. I don't know.
Still? Okay.
Mm.
Cool, 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 cool. I lost my screen here. So yeah, by the time, remember the perfect tense. اتكلمنا عن ال perfect tense كتير, right? So by next month لازم ياخد ال perfect tense. I will have completed. صح؟ زي by 2005 بناخد ال past perfect. Very similar in patterns, right? So we see by the time حاجة شبهها, then you know هياخد ال future perfect or past perfect حسب. Shaza, when do we use el present perfect? ممكن تديني example أولا of what a present perfect verb is?
Something that will happen will something that is happening right now.
Okay. Can you give me an example on the 2 words?
Have or has.
Yeah, جميل, 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 جميل. And when do we use has or have? Do you remember?
No, I don't remember it.
No worries. Carlos, do you remember when we use has or have?
Or something that has already occurred.
A good try, but no. Omar,
I think when we see a signal,
what's the signal word بقى?
it was like a list.
It wasn't
I
listed.
don't.
ألف مبروك. هعمل إيه بقى بكده؟
ما هو اللي في الليست بقى مثلا.
طيب إيه بقى في الليست؟
Things like yet.
Yet, since,
ايوه بالظبط.
or, during. So like Omar told us, لازم في signal word. There needs to be a signal word يقول لك ال present perfect. زي ال past perfect, there needs to be a signal word, right? And it's usually by next time. Excuse me. By the time. So by بعدين يديك time في ال past. بس برضو, what else can work in the past perfect? كان في كلمة تانية بس مش فاكرها. And the future perfect بقى, you'd do by time in the future. So لو في time in the future, بنستخدم ال future tense. Another common or another incorrect situation, mixing tenses inappropriately. Okay? So yesterday I will go. Don't mix tenses. Remember احنا قلنا برضو, it's very important consistency. Okay? Very important consistency. Common mistakes with future verbs. Again, here, using the present tense instead of the future. I travel to Japan next month. I will travel to Japan next month. So again, الفرق ما بين أول example تاني example. If I say I travel, ده دايما حاجة أنا بعملها. No. If you say the plane is set to travel, كذا كذا كذا. تمام. But not in this case, right? So don't mix the tenses. Be very careful. Overusing will for future plans. I will meet her at 6 p.m. غير I am meeting her at 6 p.m. So إيه الفرق ما بين ال two situations دولت? The second part في confirmation. Not a big deal. هنشوفها في البراكتس ولو حظكم وحش هتشوفوها مثلا مرة في الامتحان. Confusing will and going to. I think it's going to rain. Look at those dark clouds. Going to يعني حاجة هتحصل. Okay? Will مش لو أقول I think it will rain tomorrow مش متأكد. But if I say the phrase is going to, now again, is going to, this برضو future tense. Okay? بس حاجة 100% متأكد بيها. So لازم في signal or something there to tell you, hey, we need the future tense هنا, or hey, we need is going to هنا. Okay? And finally, incorrectly forming the future perfect or future continuous. So for example, I will been working. So be careful there. I will have been working. Any questions so far? So آخر حاجة. Oh, I forgot to tell you برضو. آخر حاجة. Will versus would. Will is for the future. Would is for the past. Okay? Gotta tell you that part. Next part, modals. So modal verbs are used to express various meanings such as ability, permission, obligation, and possibility. Here's a list. Now, بالنسبة modal verbs, this will come tested as a diction-based question. يعني إيه diction؟ أهني كلمة أفضل كلمة. Okay? So this type of question, هيجي كdiction or nuance, the word you choose will affect the meaning. The word you choose will affect the meaning. Must بنستخدمها for obligation or logical conclusion or certainty. مش هقرا كل حاجة. Can is used for ability, permission, possibility. Could is used for past ability. So شوفوا الفرق ما بين can و could. Can is for present ability. Could is for past ability. May, I don't care about may. Should, advice, recommendation. مش شرط. Okay. Now remember, modal verbs behave differently in the past. Most modal verbs in the past tense are followed by have. Like he could have, he should have, he might have. Okay. You should have informed. That's in the past. So by following the methodology and understanding various uses, future tense and modal verbs, you'll be well equipped to tackle related questions. Let's continue. Incorrect usage of modal verbs. طبعا incorrect usage will be بتستخدم كلمة غير كلمة وبيغير المينينج. فمثلا عمر should study. ده كده بديه نصيحة. It's not the same as عمر must study. The effect is different. Common mistakes. Would and will. Okay? Would for the past, will for the future. Don't forget that. Number 2, I'm going to skip. Number 3, I'm going to skip. Number 4, we'll skip. Number 5, we'll skip. That's it. Okay? Question and answers. I won't do any of these. And عايز اخش على practice. Do you guys have any questions so far? جميل. Let's go to the practice now. زي ما انتم عارفين, practice is the father of learning. So I'm going to start my timer دلوقتي. بحبش ارغي كتير honestly TBH. I'll give you for each question about 1 minute. 1 minute is way more than enough time. على كل السؤال. I'm just adjusting my timer. Okay, let's begin. Question number 1. When do you use the future tense? Okay, Omar. Omar out here studying. Okay, Carlos. Okay, Layan. Mrs. Shaza. Time. I don't know where Shaza is. So here, answer A, there's some sort of indication it happened in the future. Yalla bina, question number 1. I believe in you guys. Carlos, very good job. Omar, Layan, Omar, Layan. I'm sorry, I get confused sometimes. Very good job there. How do you know, Shaza, Fanik? Don't disappear on me now. Okay, 5 seconds. Let's call time. Carlos, how do you know this is future tense?
What indicated it was the sentence, if we don't take action soon.
Gamil. Gamil, if we don't take action soon, so there's consequences in the future. Top notch, Mr. Carlos. Let's go to question number 2. Layan, good. Omar, is that your answer? Carlos, good. So again, we're getting used to using the future tense. Shaza نامت. Shaza جالها غيبوبة. بس كده. خلاص. Okay. How do you know, Omar, we need a future tense here?
Because let's say it's next week وthe authors the owners have been working hard to prepare يعني هم كانوا بيشتغلوا hard ودلوقتي will open.
جميل. Let's go to the next one. Carlos, good. Leanne, no. Omar, no. I wonder why Leanne and Omar, you told me those answers. Only Omar, what was your logic?
هو because it's like something will happen 100%. So هو will have launched by this time. هو will have launched already the
No, we didn't say have receives that. We said will have is something before something else. زي مثلا في deadline. So we'll have launched by Wednesday مثلا. So the future perfect tense زي ال present perfect tense. Okay. زي ال past perfect tense. There needs to be a signal word. So we'll have launched يعني حاجة في الفيوتشر بس هنخلصها قبل حاجة تانية. So number one, number two, we'll have هيبقى أول حاجة في الفيوتشر. So no, we don't have that. Okay. What's the best answer after that? We'll be launching. All right. We'll be launching. حاجة continuous in the future. Let's try the next one. And another one. And another one. For you. Omar Layan, good. Carlos, good. Shaza! No, برضه. So here. اتفضل Carlos.
Does option D work and why not? If
Why
not,
would you think it works, first of all?
I'm not sure how to explain it, but I feel like it makes sense.
Future, because it sounds like it makes sense to you. It's nothing, and there's no other reason why. You know, this needs a specific time. So the local community center will be holding a fundraiser on the 14th of April. You need a very specific time. They is going to, right? So answer D, no, it's not a good one, no specific time. We'll stay away from the continuous tense unless you're sure the others are wrong. If you're not sure, go with the simplest form will hold. Let me see his answers. Is that your answer, Omar? Layan, good. Carlos, good. Layan, did you tell me an answer? Mabru? Oh, no.
It's
Omar, not you, Layan. Sorry. Omar, did you tell me an answer?
yes.
Good. You see, بنتعود على future tense. We see the other options. We know what we need. Always know what you need. Yalla bina. Set this in high gear. Verb. No, Carlos. عمر no ليان good. I don't know why you guys told me C and عايز افهم عمر ليه قلت لي answer C.
By 10% next year يعني في time
انا
اهو.
مالي no by 10% بيقول لك قد ايه مش بيقول لك a specific time period in the future مش بيقول لك by 2024 next year by November next year احنا قلنا by the time there's no time here it's by percentage that means مش هياخد ال future tense. Your problem دلوقتي يا عمر and I see it You're good at memorizing, which is a very excellent thing to do عشان نحفظ rules, but انت هتعتمد على كلمة واحدة زي buy من غير تفهم الكلمة دي بتعمل ايه. زي as. So as آخر مرة كان بيورينا examples such as، بس انت اخدتها two actions بيحصلوا في نفس الوقت عشان كلمة as لوحدها. So I need you برضو when you see the signal words دولت تاخد خطوة زيادة and make sure you understand the function of the signal world. Okay? So here enter D. Will grow 10% next year. مش عارفين امتى, but we know that it'll be somewhere next year. Okay, Carlos and Omar, this is about where you see the example احنا بنتكلم عليها. Good job, Lian. How do you know you're Lian?
Because by the time.
By the time the new highway. Now don't forget برضو عشان it could be by ويديك التايم نفسها. مش لازم بقى الphrase by the time. By August, by September. So much vibes. So much vibes. Let's go number 8. Mr. Carollos, good. Omar, good. Leanne, good. Easy peasy. Number 8, answer A. Will make. Talk about the future tomorrow evening. Sah. Let's go to the next one. Number 9. I don't even know why this timer is here, but smash. Omar, good. Carollos, good. Leanne, very good job. Answer B, nothing special here. عايزين نتعود على verbs. Number 10. Let's burn through this. Carollo's good. Leanne, good. Omar, good. Shaza disappeared on me. She said, bump this. I ain't gonna do it. Number 11. Leanne and Omar, good. Carollo's good. C, will launch, would launch, is launch. B is past, C and D in the present. So number 12. Carollo's good. Omar, good. Leanne, good. Easy peasy, baby. Number 13. See, it's not hard. There are rules, but it's not as hard as you think, right? Simplify, you'll do good. Blah. Blah. Carlos, good. Leanne, good. Omar, good. أنا غلطت هنا. It's D. Will face عشان نتكلم عن الفيوتشر. حتى في explanation I wrote will face, but little mistake there في الupload. Any questions, peeps and geeps? Next up. Good. Omar, Carlos, Leanne, top notch. Will be holding. You see that? That's the continuous بنتكلم عليها. Something happening in the future. Let's go to question number 2. Oh, Carlos, Omar, good. Leanne, good. Easy peasy, baby. Number 3. Need somebody to ease my mind. Carlos, Leanne, good. Omar, good. These are easy, by the way. They get harder as you work through. Number 4. Omar, good. Carlos, good. Leanne, good. See, by next year. ده اللي كنت بكلمكم عليها, the future tense. Very good job, guys. Number 5. Omar, no. Carlos, no. Leanne, no. كل حاجة اللي will present actually is going to present عشان it's an action, definitive action هتحصل في future. So is going to is something definitive, something هتحصل في future. So D is better than A in this case. A definitive actions. حاجة هتحصل 100%. Let's go to question number 6. Good, Carlos. I want you guys not only get the easy ones correct, I want you also to get the hard ones correct. We want to get both of them correct. Leanne, good. Omar, no. What tense is your answer, Omar?
Excuse me, so what you said?
What's your tense? The tense for your answer.
Because at next month he didn't like said like
Is presenting is present tense. ده مش future tense. Is going to future tense.
oh,
Number 7. Carlos. Good. Leanne, good. Where's Omar? Good. So ده الفيوتشر كنت بكلمك عليها يا عمر. Right? It's time in the future is going to. Number 8. Carlos, good. Leanne, good. Omar, good. So here بقى, the city's transportation department will have completed by 2025. You see that right there? That's what we're talking about. Let's go number 9. Carlos, good. Leanne, good. Omar, good. Will be offering, right? Don't be confused by is offering. عشان ده present tense برضو. Will be offering. حاجة هتحصل في future. Let's go to question number 10. Omar. There are two answers شبه بعض, صح كده? So if you told me B or D, both of these are correct. Good, Carlos. Good, Omar. Good, Leanne. شايفين ازاي اللي modals I'm not really testing you too much عليهم عشان the least likely to come, the most likely to come have a future perfect simple future, right? So عايزين نتعود على دولة الأول. Good. You see now it's a pattern. انتوا خلاص خدتوا الباترن فهمتوا الباترن. Okay. ده اللي عايزين نعمله. For all of the topics اللي ناخدها في الجرامر. I want you guys to be able to skim the sentence. It's automatic. محتاجين كذا. We move on. Right? ده اللي عايزينه. Very good job, guys. Number 13. Carlos good. Leanne good. Omar good. We'll have launched by 2030. Carlos good. Omar good. Top notch, beautiful people. Number 15. Is that your answer, Leanne?
Yes.
Nice. Leanne and Omar good. Why would you say that, Carlos? Yeah, I mean, you're doubting yourself عشان لسه بتعتمد على نقطة or sense what sounds good is adopting new policies بس لما نيجي نقرا الجملة we find it is in the future. Number 16. Leanne, good. Carlos, good. Wow. Number 17. Very good job, guys. Omar, good. Carlos, good. Leanne, good. Let's continue. Let's finish this. Carlos, Omar, Leanne, very good job. Number 19. Couple more questions, we're done. Okay, Omar, okay, Leanne, okay, Carlos. Last one. Carlos, no. Leanne, yes. Omar, yes. احنا قلنا by كذا would receive the perfect tense, past, present, future طبعا حسب الجملة. Very good job, guys. Today, top notch. Homework هينزل بكرة. Do you guys have any questions before we go today? Thanks for coming. You can learn anything. It's just an out. Bye.